right, so you have a slide deck and you have some notes down here, and you want these notes to be able to be exported with your slide deck so that you don't have to have a whole lot of text on your slide. Because the problem is you might have these notes down here for yourself, but you don't have a way of exporting them for your audience. So the traditional way, which a lot of people try and do this, is they come over here to save as an Adobe PDF and they save this, or they come over here to export, and then they go to the create handouts, and then they create handouts, which allows you to have your notes and your slides there together. The problem is if you do the handouts, this becomes just an image and you can't actually have a screen reader read this. And if you have the PDF that the PowerPoint creates, it creates comments, which is also not screen reader accessible. So the alternative to do this, so that you actually have an accessible handout that has your notes and your text that a screen reader can read, would be to come over here, and instead of going to save as a Adobe PDF, you're going to come to save as, you're going to get more options, and then you're going to come down here and hit PDF and then options here. And when you go here, you're going to go to publish as a notes page. You can include anything else that you want here. You can change the slide amount that you want to have, and then you're going to hit OK, and then you're going to hit save. And what that's going to create is, instead of having PDFs like this, you're going to have PDFs like this. And so what that does is, this is now text that can be read by the screen reader, and this is also text that can be read by the screen reader. I want to give a shout out to Karen McCall, who was the one that led me to how to do this, that she has a converting PowerPoint speaker notes so that they're accessible here, and she does highlight some issues that do come from this. So take a look at this PDF for more details, but this gives you the basic way of how to go about doing it, and I recommend her website for more accessibility within the Microsoft products.